I ain't got a clue, bro.
I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my earnings.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to take care of your wigs. A lot of you have wigs, like they're now looking like I don't even know what they're now looking like Auntie Ramota's wig. But guys, I'm here to show you guys how to take care of your wigs, so that anytime anytime you bring the wig out to flex, it will be looking beautiful. So guys, if this is first time of seeing this beautiful face, my name is Anastasia and this is my YouTube channel. So guys, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification to know each time I post a new video. So guys, in today's video we will be talking about a lot of wigs. So a lot of you, when you want to comb your wigs, you'll be combing it as if, I don't know, as if the wig provoked you, or as if you people are fighting. I don't understand. I don't know why. So let me teach you how to properly comb your wigs to avoid tangling or whatever. When you want to comb your wigs, guys, you make sure you start from the root. You comb it upwards. You start from the roots. Start from the ends and working your way up to the roots. This will prevent any breakage or damage to your wigs. You can see what I'm doing. You don't just want to comb your wig and maybe breeze has scattered the wig. You just start from here and you're fighting. Calm down now. It's not the wig that do you. Comb your wig gently. If you know the way you treat yourself, if you know the way you treat your face so that you have a flawless face, your face will be smooth and sparkling, treat your wig that way so that the lifespan of your wig will be long. You comb your wig gently from the roots, detangle from the roots, then you go up. You can see, because once the downside is free and you're combing it from the up, it's going to go smoothly. But there's no that you see, like once they comb it, if the wig has a tangled part here, you'll be struggling to comb it. I hope you learned that one. So let's get to another tip. So guys, the number 2 tip on how to expand the lifespan of your wigs. If your wig are meant to last 5 years, let them last 5 years. Don't destroy that wig and by 2 years, before 2 years time, they will be looking like Auntie Ramota's wig. I don't know why I said that. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, so guys, make sure you use a good shampoo when you're washing your wigs. A lot of you, I'm going to say it, a lot of you use clean. Yes, I said it. A lot of you use clean to wash your wigs. A lot of you use soap. Some use soap. They'll be like, is it not just to wash? Guys, you know, shampoo is meant for hair and wigs. This is meant for you to use and wash your hair and your wigs. If you know the way you take care of, like some of us that have virgin natural hair, if you know the way you take care of your virgin hair, you want it to always look nice, you want it to look good, you don't want it to be cutting, you don't want to, that is the way you are supposed to be taking care of your wigs. Do you understand? That is the way you take care of your wigs. A lot of you use, I don't even know, anything that you feel like you can use to wash. Some use detergent, some use soap. That is wrong. Stop using detergent to wash your wigs. Make sure you use a good shampoo. You can use, I don't know if there's anything like good shampoo, but you can use shampoo to wash your wigs. And this is leave-in conditioner. This is very important, right? A lot of people don't know the work of this leave-in conditioner, because you wash your wig with shampoo, you cleanse it with conditioner, you wash it off, you rinse it, then you use this on your wig and you allow it to air dry. Just hang it on your wig hanger or any I don't know, anywhere you can keep it air dry. I do not say you should go and put it, you should go and hang it outside the sun. No, you look for where it will just get breeze. You get, just hang it where it will get breeze to dry. That is what I said though. Before you wash it, after washing it with shampoo, or no, after washing it with clean or soap, you will now carry the wig and go outside the sun and go and hang it there. Guys, you know why I'm laughing? Because I have a lot of friends that wash their wigs with soap. That is why it's so funny. I have a lot of them. And after making this video and I send it to them, and after washing it, they still use soap and clean to wash their wig, I'll call them out. I'm serious. I'll call them out. So let's get to the number 3 tips on how to expand the lifespan of your wigs. Let me use this one too. So guys, I don't know if you've heard about wig stand, dumbing, name them, wig hanger, a lot of means to make sure you hang your wigs. A lot of you, when you go out, you come back, you just remove the wig and fling it to one side. Okay, oh, next time you want to wear it, you start struggling to comb it because the wig has tangled. So make sure you get yourself a, you can see now this wig, it's not on my head, it's on the wig stand. I can keep it like this for months without even wearing it, and anytime I want to bring it out, it will still be looking beautiful and straight. And especially for straight wigs, guys, you always need a wig stand where you keep your wigs, so that anytime you want to use it, you just go to the place where you kept it, you just remove it. Okay, let me show you. Just remove it. It's not hard. It's not hard, guys. It's not hard. Just remove it and you wear it. You see, you just remove it and you wear it. It's very simple. But when you come out and you fling it to I don't know, maybe anywhere you fling it, and when you come, you expect the wig to be straight. Are you a magician? Are you a magician? Remember to comb from the root though. You comb from the root upwards so that your wig don't get. You can see how I'm looking. I just brought this wig from here and look at the way it's looking on me. Guys, come on now, learn how to take care of your wigs. So guys, let's get, it's like I will not remove this wig again. It's going to be on my head. Let's continue. Okay, so guys, the number 4th tip on how to take care of your wig. I hear a lot of you guys wash your wigs with hot water. Why? Who told you? Do you wash your head, your hair, your virgin hair? Do you wash it with hot water? This is why I don't want to wear this wig. Do you wash your hair with hot water? No, you don't. Guys, I have to remove this wig. The heat is too much. Wash your wigs with hot water. You are cleaning that wig. You are reducing the lifespan of the wig. If the wig is supposed to be looking beautiful till 5 years, by the time your wig gets to 4 years, the wig will be looking like, I don't know, but stop washing your wigs with hot water. If you want to wash your wig, you can use warm water, okay? A water that you can comfortably put your hands in and you will not get hot. Yes, that is what you can use if you want to use to wash your wigs. So guys, the next tip on how to maintain and expand the lifespan of your wig is to stop washing your wigs with detergents. A lot of you wash your wigs with detergent, and that is not good. You are destroying that wig, okay? Stop washing your wigs with detergents. Clean. Get yourself a shampoo. Shampoo is very cheap. Shampoo is very cheap, yes. It has I think it has prices, and you don't wash your wig every day. Your wigs are meant to be washed like 3 to 4 times in a year. So if you buy a shampoo of 1,000 or 2,000, it can last you the whole year. So stop washing your wigs with shampoo. Stop washing your wigs with detergent, clean soap, and the rest of it that is not a shampoo. That is why they have shampoo. Okay guys, and the next tip is to stop hanging your wig on. A lot of you, after washing your wigs, you just carry it straight outside the sun. Stop sun drying your wigs. You air dry. Air drying simply means that you can hang your wig outside, but not on the sun, not under the sun. Okay, you can keep it outside your passage, outside there, anywhere that breeze can comfortably touch the wig. That is how to air dry your wigs. Stop taking your wigs outside under the sun. Okay, you are destroying the wig, and then you are reducing the lifespan of the wig. I hope this thing I'm saying is entering. I hope it will not enter from here and it come out from here. I want that wig to last. Okay, when you get a wig, you need to know how to properly take care of the wig so that you will not kill that wig easily. A lot of you will buy wig today, by the next 6 months the wig will be looking as if you have worn it for 20 years. And another thing is, I don't know if you have heard of heat protectant spray. This is mainly for people that are using expensive hairs. Like if you have expensive hairs, I will not advise someone that has if you have a, let me say, blend, they are blend hairs, they are woman hair, and the rest. But if you still have money to buy, because this thing it's quite expensive, as you're looking, this thing is, I think I bought it around 6,000 or 6,500 or something. So guys, you need a heat protectant spray. If you have, for example, if you have a bone straight, yes, if you have a bone straight, you need a heat protectant spray to be able to save your head from the too much heat. Too much heat is not good for the hair. That is why I said you don't wash your hair with hot water. So guys, this is very simple to use. You just, before you straighten your hair, after washing your hair, you just spray this on the hair and you straighten it. It is called a heat protectant spray. For those of you who would like to get it, it is called a heat protectant spray. And it has like different categories, prices. Yes, I think there's some you can get for 3,000 depending on the quantities or so. I don't know, but I don't know. I wouldn't say this is mandatory, but I think it is advisable for you to expand the lifespan of your costly or your expensive wigs. Okay, if you have money to buy expensive wigs, you should have money to buy the needs, what you need to take care of it. Okay guys, so we're going to have a rundown now. Before you say you did not remember, do not wash your wig with hot water. Do not wash your wig with detergent and soap. Do not sun dry your wigs. You air dry them instead. Make sure you get a wig stand, a wig hanger, anything that you can comfortably place your wig on and you don't get detangled. Okay, you can keep your wig there. Anytime you want to wear it, you can just go there and pick it up. Stop when you come back, you just remove your wig and fling it to one corner. It is not advisable. If you want to expand the lifespan of your wig, if you know the way you take care of your skin, you need to be taking care of your wig like that too. You can't come out with a sparkling and clean skin and your wig is looking like, I don't know. Anytime I mention that, anytime I want to make that statement, it's only anti-remotas wig that comes to my head. I don't know why, but I'm sorry. So guys, this is going to be the end of this video. I hope you learned something. Even if you do not learn anything, learn to stop sun drying your wigs. A lot of people do that. Sometimes if I'm walking around, maybe I'm going out, I'll see a lot of wigs on the sun. I'll be like, what are these people doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You are cleaning the wig. Okay guys, this is going to be the end of the video, and I hope you find this video helpful. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification to know each time I post a new video, and give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful to you, of which I know it was. I will see you guys in my next video. My name is Anastasia, and see you next time. Bye.
Tell me why you're crying, now can you big girls?